All right, we're going to send things over to our first alert meteorologist, Aaron Moran. A tornado warning already off the top at 11 this morning.
Yeah, the first one issued. It is in the area that's under a tornado watch as well. The bulk of this activity has just kind of been to the south and east of the Metroplex. You can see some showers starting to go up a little farther to the west from Stephenville to Mineral Wells, but nothing severe there. The severe threat has really kind of been a flooding concern stretching from Navarro County and Limestone County farther to the south and west. And then we did have one tornado warning that was issued for Henderson and Anderson County, but they did allow that tornado warning to expire. We talked a little bit in the last couple of minutes when we were covering it about this being so far away from the radar, so it's looking a little bit higher up at the storm. And we expected rotation ongoing higher up in the storm, but the question was what was actually ongoing at the ground. And sure enough, we started to see the rotation just kind of broadening out a little bit, but there is still likely some hail ongoing with this storm. You can see quarter-size hail with this severe thunderstorm warning and 60-mile-an-hour winds, all rain wrapped. You've got a lot of lightning ongoing with this as well, so it's kind of headed towards Edom and then eventually tracking towards the 20 corridor here. So it's going to continue moving to the east northeast. It was moving at about 40 miles an hour, so we'll be certainly concerned about some of that quarter-size hail headed in that direction as well. But as far as the tornado warning is concerned, things have calmed down. The tornado warning was allowed to expire. So meteorologist Dennis Brown, he's just kind of putting a track on this again. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Edom 11:24. So you've got less than 10 minutes. 11:48 from Mount Sylvan, and then kind of continuing tracking to the northeast towards Lindale, Mineola, Hawkins, and eventually Big Sandy as well. So no more tornado warnings here in North Texas, but we do still have this flooding threat for our counties to the south and east. And then this flooding threat, I should say, to the south and east. And then that is extending towards central Texas as well, the 35 corridor through Waco, through Temple, Killeen, and then eventually down towards Austin as well. You can see this is just radar estimated rainfall over the last 3 hours. Gets very bright in McLennan County, into Limestone County, Southeast Hill County, and then of course Navarro County and into Henderson County as well, where indications of 1 to 3 inches of rain just in the last 3 hours alone. And those storms were training as well, meaning they're not really moving. So, you know, of course we were kind of keeping an eye on that hail threat. Not seeing that hail threat right now, at least for our counties here in North Texas. But remember, we still have this level 3 enhanced risk south of I-20. It extends into central Texas. We've got that level 2 slight risk for a good bit of the Metroplex, Dallas County, Tarrant County, Rockwall County, southern portions of Collin and Denton County included in this. Large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. I think that threat is going to be a little farther to the south and east, but we certainly have to watch as all of these storms continue kind of lifting to the north and east. So a tornado watch is, we do have Navarro County, we've got Anderson County, Henderson County, Limestone, Freestone, and Navarro County included in that tornado watch until 7 o'clock. And then, of course, the flooding threat continuing into tomorrow morning. It's starting to look like maybe the flooding threat just over the next 24 to 36 hours, maybe especially highest the farther east we are. So temperatures are going to be in the 60s in the afternoons because of the rain and the cloud cover, but we get some time to dry out, Karen, as we head towards Thursday.